Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I am going to do this makeup look. This is inspired by Mansi Mao. She is my favorite YouTuber, so I really wanted to recreate her makeup look. I really like how my makeup turned out. So if you are interested then please continue watching. But आगे बढ़ने से पहले please subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment and share. अब वीडियो शुरू करते हैं. For today's video I am extremely nervous, but let's just get started. So I am going to start a video.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup look right here, and I have used everything under 300 rupees. Yes, you heard it right, all the makeup products are under 300 rupees. So I think this can also pass for like a beginner's makeup kit, like an affordable beginner's makeup kit. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay you guys, so there is clearly nothing on my face. I have just put some moisturizer. So let's start. The first thing that we are gonna put is the foundation. Now I am not gonna take risk with my base products, to be very honest. I cannot.
So she has not applied any primer. She is just starting with foundation.
It's cheap for a reason. So at least base products ke liye I'm gonna play safe. So I'm gonna use this tube foundation by Fit Me. So this is the Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and this tube comes for 299 rupees. That is exact 300 rupees. I think this is the best.
I have a lot of similar products that she is using,
and also the Wet n Wild cushion foundation. So I'm just going to clip my hair away and
using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, और हमारे शेड्स भी सेम है. Okay, so now she is using a sponge to blend the foundation. If you don't already follow her, I think you should watch her videos because she is the best YouTuber. She is one of my favorites. So मैं हमेशा उनकी वीडियोस देख के अपना फाउंडेशन लेती हूँ बिकॉज हमारा स्किन टोन काफ़ी सिमिलर है. Off track of this video. Now I'm going to show you how much I take her recommendation seriously. So this is her favorite eyeshadow palette. ये मेरे पास है, ठीक है. This is the foundation she recommended. So ये भी है मेरे पास. Wet n Wild concealer उनका favorite हुआ करता था. So ये भी है. She recommended the Miss Clear eyelash glue. So this is also here. This is the mascara she also recommended in this video. So ये भी है. और जो उनकी फेवरेट लिपस्टिक हुआ करती थी न्यूड, वो थी Maybelline न्यूड नुआंस. सो ये भी है मेरे पास. उनके सारे रिकमेंडेशन इतने अच्छे होते हैं. डेट्स वाई आई एम डूइंग दिस वीडियो, जिससे मैं दिखा सकूँ मैं कितनी बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ. तो अब वापस वीडियो में आ जाते हैं.
And the concealer that I'm gonna use is by Swiss Beauty. So a lot of you guys told me to buy Swiss Beauty products. So we have a lot of Swiss Beauty products today. So I have this liquid concealer by Swiss Beauty. It's just called the liquid concealer, and I am having two shades with me. One is 04 medium beige, if I'm not wrong, and the other one is 02 sand sable. So I had placed an order for this first, which was the 04 shade, and I was blown away. Like, this concealer is so good, you guys. Just see how seamlessly it just blends. It's a seamless, beautiful concealer. Looks as if it's a full coverage concealer, but it is not. If you can find your shade, trust me, you are gonna be lucky, because this concealer is really good for people who are on a budget. It's very easy to blend as well.
concealer is done.
Before it creases, let's just set it with this compact powder. This is just for 150 rupees. It's the classic Lakme compact.
I don't have the same compact, so I'm using the Maybelline's Fit Me.
Pink undertone, which I don't like. Even this shade is like the third shade, but it's still very fair and very pink.
I'm going to use very less powder because my skin is extremely dry.
The base is nicely done. Let's move on to eyebrows. For that, I have this pencil by Etude House. Now, I have already spoken about this pencil like a year back or so in my videos. Right now, I have the shade called as medium brown, and I think this shade is much better than the grey one. It suits my skin tone really well. It has a lot of shades. It has a spoolie, and it is like a retractable pencil. What else do you need? The only problem I feel some people might have is that if you have very thin eyebrows, you might not like this because the pencil is not micro pencil. It's like a wedge shaped pencil which is very thick, so you have to be careful. If you are someone who wants a sharp arch, you probably won't get it, but to be very honest, the formula and everything is so good on this pencil, so yeah.
So I don't do a lot with my eyebrows because I already have very thick eyebrows.
Okay, so there is a product that I did not try and did not have the last time I filmed this video, and that is this eyeshadow palette by Swiss Beauty. This is just for 230 rupees. Like what? And you get 9 eyeshadows, and I think I have the variant 01. Let me just check. Yes, it's 01, and I have not tested it out. I have not even swatched it. I'm really excited to try this, so let's go. So I'm gonna do like a very easy peasy look. I am not going to go and do very intricate eye look because you just have to test out the formulation. So first I am going to use this shade and just dust it all over my lids to, you know, just give a base so that the eyeshadows that we put would blend easily. So like when you tap your brush, it has a lot of kickback. So yeah, I hope it doesn't give me a lot of fallout. Dusting of the excess.
Now I am taking this shade.
It definitely has a lot of fallout, but the shadows are very, very creamy. So this is how our eyes look so far. I am really, really happy and impressed with this. So let's move on and try some other shadows. So I think I'm gonna pick up this shade.
Okay, I am taking this one. Okay, so I don't think I have similar shades, so I'm going to mix these two shades.
Man, I'm so impressed.
Oh my god, can you believe that this look is done by a 230 rupees eyeshadow palette? Okay, so I just shaded my lower lash line with the same dark berry shade, and I'm very, very happy with this. Now when I look up close, I can definitely see that, you know, it has a lot of fallout. So you have to be careful. My under eyes are looking a little dull now because of the fallout. But you can just do your under eyes first and then do your base makeup. The shadows are beautiful in my opinion. I think you know, you have to give these shadows a try. There is no complaint. I mean, what can you expect for 230 rupees anyway? My lips are feeling dry, so I'm gonna use this lip balm. This is the Nykaa Raspberry Lip Balm. This is also very affordable.
I've already applied my lip balm.
Let's move on and finish up the eyes. I have a mascara, but I have cheated a little bit. You can forgive me for 30 rupees. This is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. This comes for 330 rupees, 335 rupees. So 35 rupees के लिए माफ कर दो. Okay, so जब तक mascara dry होता है, let me just tell you a funny story, okay? So these lashes that we are going to use in today's video, these are by Pro Art and they are in the style Premium 003. So when I recorded this video for the first time, I must have said this like a trillion times in this video, but anyway. So when I used them for the first time, मैंने इनको इतना bash किया था before I used it. These look so plasticky and I'm not gonna like them and this and that. and the moment I used them, oh my god, like मेरा जो पचका हुआ है ना, मतलब what to tell you. I love these lashes. I think they are the best 200 rupees lashes I have ever come across. They do not look plasticky. They are easy to apply. The lash band is so thin. They are long lasting because ever since I have got them, I have used them in every Instagram picture or video or YouTube video. So it's been a month almost that I'm using them non-stop. So yeah, just don't judge the book by its cover. This Miss Claire glue. This is the eyelash glue in dark tone. Now I used to use the glue by Duo or something, or Ardell, which was very expensive, 500 या 600 रुपए का था इतना सा tube. But Mridul introduced me to Miss Claire glues. Now she uses something else, like she uses वो tube वाला ही in dark tone. But I use this because it's very easy and convenient application wise, because it has a brush. As you guys can see, so you don't have to, you know, put the glue on some container, wait for it to dry or something like that. You can just use it with the brush and then wait for it to dry on the lash itself, so your hands don't get dirty. I'm gonna go off camera and put these on and I'll be right back. I have already made a video about how to put on false lashes. बहुत पहले बनाया था वो मैंने video, so I'll put that in the description box below. In case if you are interested, you can go give it a watch.
Okay, so now I am also going to put on some lashes. I have two lashes, one from PAC and one from Nykaa. I don't like Nykaa one, but ये वाली उनके वाले से काफ़ी similar है, उनकी भी, और ये वाली बहुत ज़्यादा dramatic है. So I am going to use this one, and for lash glue I am going to use the same Miss Claire glue. Now I will be right back.
They are so lightweight, I don't even feel them. Anyway, let's move on. I don't have like a blush. I'm gonna use my lipstick as my blush, the good old trick. So for that, I have the Swiss Beauty liquid lipstick. I'm in the shade 20 Paris Fashion. I have not tried it, so I'm excited again to use this one. Okay, it looks very, very pale, so I think it's gonna wash me out.
Yeah, it's definitely washing me out. Can you guys see? So I'm gonna just dab it.
So I'm just gonna dab this so that it won't look this funny. And whatever I have on my fingers, I'm gonna just use it as my blush.
Using her lipstick as a blush.
I don't like it, to be very honest. It's nothing compared to Miss Claire or NYX soft matte creams. It has a powdery finish, so once it's dry, it turns into like a powdery finish and it looks very and blush wise, I think it performed really well as a blush than a lipstick.
So I am going to use Maybelline's liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Sensationally Me, और ये शेड बिल्कुल भी सिमिलर नहीं है, इसलिए उसके ऊपर से आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ Swiss Beauty lipstick in the shade Very Nude. Lipstick is done. Now for highlighter, let's see what she is using.
So yeah, I think we are almost done. We just have the last step, and that is the highlight, which I am dreading because I have already used this blush and I hate it. Yes, you heard it right. This is the Insight Makeup Essential Insta Ready Illuminating Highlighter. Now you guys know that I like pink highlighters. I do not like golden highlighters, so that's why I bought this. It's in the shade Rose Gold, but this is straight up pink, and I'm going to ruin this makeup look by using this. But you gotta
highlight. I'm going to mix both the shade and I'm going to apply this. Even I don't like golden highlighters on my face.
The finished look, I think that is it for today's video. I think I did well in this challenge.
I also did well. I hope वो ये वीडियो देखे. And yeah, this is the finished makeup look inspired by Mansi Mao. I really like the makeup look. Also, please share this video जिससे वो ये वीडियो पक्का से देख ले. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.